In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook ads to grow your Facebook group or any other group and also your email list 24/7. And I'm going to show you this step by step. And if you like these videos, just click like and subscribe. And if you want access to my full strategy, just click the link below and you can join my community. Okay, you're going to access to the course and my weekly live Q&A sessions. So let's get started. So the first thing that we have to create, it's a lead magnet. So we need something that we're going to use as a bait, and that can be a video, it can be a mini course, it can be a live session, it can be like anything that your audience might find useful, okay? And you can create this on the two ways, one of the two ways. First way is that you give the solution for a specific problem, right? So this is one small problem that your audience has, and you give the solution for that specific problem. Or if you already have the system in place that actually works, then you can create the overview of the whole process. So this is in the case if you're selling coaching. So you can give the information, but then you're selling implementation. If you're selling a course or affiliate course, then just give one complete solution for one specific problem. Okay. So yeah, this is the lead magnet because we're going to actually take that lead magnet and we're going to put it into the community. So that's going to be a Facebook group. It can be Skool community. It can be any other community. Okay. So that's going to be the reason why people will join our email list, but also to our community. So that's number one. So this is what we have to create. And then we have to go to the Facebook Ad Manager. So this is my ad, as you can see, affiliate marketing course, cost per lead, $1.65. Okay, so let me open this. And the first thing that you have to create, you have to set up, of course, here have your budget. Okay, then we go here to the ad set level. This was campaign level. Here also, you have to set up your pixel. How to actually set up this, you can see in my community once you join. And then we have a targeting here. For a location, you can just choose location that you want to target, okay? But then here we have like audience, right? So here's the thing, like 5-10 years ago, if you use Facebook ads, you had to be very, very specific, like and skilled how to actually target your right behaviors, interest, and so on. Today, you don't have to be because there is a Facebook like algorithm that will, based on your ad copy and ad creative, actually make a conclusion who is actually your specific audience. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add here, for example, like I did. I put an interest affiliate marketing to kind of show the direction in which I want to go, but you don't have to even do that. Okay. So when it comes to the targeting, you can just leave everything as it is. Okay. Now here in the ad campaign, once you actually start ad campaign, you're going to have there, if you want to target leads, if you want a lead generation, if you want engagement, if you want a sales, you're going to choose leads, but also you can choose purchasing, sales, even if we're going to just generate leads, okay? Because this way, the Facebook will actually show our ad to people who are more likely to purchase, okay? So actually, let me show you this. So once you start your ad campaign, right, here you have campaign objective, which is awareness, traffic, engagement, leads. Now, since we're going to actually use these for the leads, still you can use here sales, okay? Because this way, your ad will be shown to people who are more likely to buy online, okay? Who actually have the purchasing experience. So yeah, this is what you can choose here once you get here. So let me get back here. So we have here campaign level, we have here ad set level, you have to set up the pixel here, right? You have to put a location, targeting, as I said, just leave it as it is. Placement also you can leave as it is. This also leave to the Facebook algorithm. And then we have ad level. To get to the ad level, let me show you here. So here we have our ad. So actually this is my ad, right? So we have the ad copy, ad creative, and here we have the headline. You can also have a description if you want. It's like not necessary. So we just want to generate leads, right? We want to get people to the email list, but also to the Facebook community. So this is what I wrote. I put together a free course. So I said what it is. It's a free course. For who? For affiliate marketers, okay? On how to start making 4 figures in a day using not more than one social platform. Then you have to say, okay, what is the benefit, right? What is the goal of this course or this lead magnet? Then in the second line, you want to give some proof, right? So it can be your proof or your students. These are the same steps I took to bank 3.9K in a single day as an affiliate, right? So we built authority, and then we have call to action, check out the course in my free community. This is it. And then here we have the headline, get your affiliate marketing course today. That's it. And then we have the ad creative, which is just mock-up of the course, right? If you have the ebook, you can have just the ebook here, a book or whatever you have. So basically this is it. This is your ad, right? And this is what you set up here on the ad level. So once people click on that ad, they're going to go to the opt-in page. Okay, so this is my opt-in page. We have the title, affiliate marketing course, which is the name of the lead magnet. Then we have the subtitle, which is the benefit of the lead magnet, which is make 1K plus in a day using nothing but one social platform. We have here the image, also the same image that we have on the ad. We just want to make this like congruent, right? Aligned. And then here we have the text, and the framework of the text is like this: old way versus new way, right? So if I'm showing people how to use affiliate marketing using one social platform, so that's the new way. The old way is, hey, you can build funnels, right? So what I say here is most affiliate marketers think they need complex funnels, post on every social platform, and make silly videos to make sales, right? This is the old way, old strategy. Then we have the new strategy. In this course, you'll learn system, how to make 1K plus in a day without doing any of this. Or you can mention with using one social platform, like I did here, right? And then here we have the email input. You can also put a name, last name, and so on. But the more things you put, the bigger is resistance. And then also here we have call to action. So once they put an email, they go to the thank you page. And the thank you page, we just say, congratulations, link below to access the free course. And then they click here, access the free course, and they join our community. Okay. So this way, we actually get people to the email list and to the community 24/7 on the autopilot. So once they join your community, you can reach out to them one-on-one. You can use membership questions to extract buyers. So you can do many other things. But also in the same time, you have the same leads on the email list. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can actually grow your Facebook group or any other community and the email list 24/7 on the autopilot. Now, if you want access to the full strategy, how to set up that Facebook ad campaign, how to set up the opt-in page, thank you page, and so on, and also how to monetize your group and email list, you can just click the link below. You can access my full course and my weekly Q&A sessions. Now, if you like this video, just click like, subscribe, and I see you in another video.